Hi, this is Bill Jones again. You may not be aware of it, but every single day a handful of traders make a lot of money on the financial markets, even in economic crises. Let's have a closer look at how they do it. Traders follow the trend, buying when the price is rising and selling when the price is falling. They're winning large amounts of money by making bets on the stock market. They make bets even against the system. The strategy is simple, but it's very smart. If a stock price is falling, it means that most people on the market are trying to get rid of it. This creates a strong pressure on the downside, allowing traders to make a quick profit by betting on the price dropping further over a period of time. The opposite works just as well, however. If a stock price is rising, it means most people on the market are trying to buy it. This creates strong pressure on the upside, allowing traders to make a quick profit by betting on the price rising further still for a short period of time. On a few sites, traders place bets like these with a single click, and even from home. Now that we're done with the theory, let's have a look at how this works in reality. B-Options is the main site I use to make money online with this strategy. Usually, you'd have a sign-up form at the top right of this page to get started by opening a free account. In this case, you can't see it because I've already logged in. You'll also notice that I have exactly $2,433.50 in my account. I started about a month ago with a deposit of $800. So I've made $1,633.50 in pure profits so far, and I only trade a few hours a week. It's not that bad, is it? So let's get started first. You need to click on the High-Low tab right here, which we already have. This is what the main trading interface looks like, and we're going to trade based on what we have on the screen here. You click on the drop-down menu. You'll find a list of the assets that are available for us to look at. You can notice here to the right that the next expiry time is in 8 minutes and 25 seconds. Actually, that's not the expiry time. That's just the amount of time that you have before you can place this option. The actual expiry time should be at 1:45. So exactly 8 minutes. And we can see down here, oil, it's at 2 p.m. This means that once you place these trades, these options will automatically expire at those times. So if we trade on Euro USD, a call or a put, the option will expire at 1:45. If we trade on oil, you see right here, the option expires at 2 o'clock today. What we're going to do is look at the price chart right here. This is the price chart for each asset to see if there's an upside trend, a downside trend, or a neutral trend. If the price is going up, we're going to click on call, which you see has these handy little up arrows here, which I like about the options. And we're going to bet on the upside. If the price is going down, we're going to click on put and bet on the downside. If the price is going sideways, it's a neutral trend, and we won't do anything. Get away from it. It's like the plague. So without further ado, let's just jump into it, okay? I click on the first asset we've got here. It's a Euro US dollar. What do we have? It's really jerky. We have it up, down, up, down, up, down, up. It looks like it's coming. It looks like it could be on the upside trend, but this is a little bit too sketchy for me. I would still call this neutral, and I'd stay away. Let's go down. What do we have? We have oil. Oil, we can see, has been rising for the good part of the day. Now, it's topping out, over the last little bit here. It's becoming a neutral trend. This can also be iffy, and you might want to stay away from that. But I think that it's still something that we can go to. It already has the history of being an upward trend. Let's take the call. All right, the little screen pops down here. And our investment amount, $100. You can see the payout is $80. I love this. The payout, it shows right on the platform, right in front of you, $180. Beautiful. Apply. What I like right before I press apply is we're even going to have a few seconds that we can stop the trade, cancel the trade if we don't like it. I do like it, however. And there we go. And we can see actually that the chart is available. My position is open. My total current profit loss, $180. I love it. It's sitting there on the side, right on the right. Let's go down and see if we can't find something else that we'd be interested in today. We've got Vodafone looking a little bit shaky. You can see that through the majority of the time here it was a neutral. It went up over a very short period of time and it's dropping down. Again, I don't like that. I'd like to see something going clearly up. I'd like to see something going clearly down. In the case of the oil, we saw that it went up and it was staying around neutral, so I believe strongly that we're going to see it going up still. But once you see something like this where there's a strong drop, it makes you think, oh, I don't know. It's a little bit testy. We've seen a flat line here. Looks neutral, comes up for a quick look. If I would have seen that a few minutes ago, I might have even gone at it and it could come back, but I'd still hold off right now that I have the information right in front of me. Now we have the Aussie dollar, US dollar going up or down. Again, we see neutral. There's a trend going down, a downward trend you see, but even from here, from the start, we see some very rapid fluctuations. You can see falling all along, and actually our point is not so far from the start. So let's leave that as well. I want to see something clear. Let's go through and see if we can't find something clear for us to trade on today. Platinum. I do like platinum. Let's see what we have. Here we have a very clear, sharp turns, sharp intervals, jumps in the chart, a steady drop, and a little bit of return. I'm feeling confident about this. Let's go for the put. We have a 75% payout. I'll tell you right now, I was happy about it, but I tend to go towards the 80%, 85% payouts. Let's leave platinum and see if we can't find something else a little bit more interesting. How about gold? Now, normally I'm a big fan of gold, but we can see again today gold's been flatlining. For the past month, it's been up and down like a yo-yo. We saw it have a huge jump and a massive drop. I think it lost over $200 in a single business day. This is looking too neutral. I'm not going to stay on gold. Let's look for something else. How about corn? We all eat it. We love it. I had cornflakes today for breakfast. Let's see what we got. Look at what we have here with corn. What a surprise. We're sitting neutral, flatlining, a sharp jump up, 75% payout. As I said, normally I don't go for 75% payout, but something this good I'm going to take anyway. And we're going to go with $100. We have our screen again, 100. Our payout's going to be 175. Apply. Let's go. B options. Make me some money today. Thank you very much. Let's continue on and see if we can't find a good put trade. Look at Vodafone. Look at Vodafone. It is dropping. Let's see if we can find something else. I don't like that when I see this very unstable movement, very flat line, and then you have a sharp increase, a sharp drop. It makes my heart make the same rhythm. So let's get away from that. What do we have? Banco Santander, largest Spanish bank, one of the largest banks in Europe. Let's see what we got there. This is a promising chart right here. But even so, we have enough call positions. I'd like to put something down and a put. I would like to see something going down. SAB Miller, I do love beer, but let's see it drop. There we go. I do like this. Here we are. You see large fluctuations, but look at the difference between the start and the finish. Massive drop. I like that. Let's go with the put. 80% payout. All the indicators I do like to see. $100. Apply. We'll come back to all the trades I just made. We have the trades rate available in front of me. There we are, our 3 trades. We also have the option of doubling up and rolling over. I think that's something we can cover at another time. This is something a little bit more for the experienced investor. If we're just starting out, let's be nice and clear. Let's understand our charts and make sure we're making the right positions with confidence. It's very important that you learn how to spot these clear trends in order to place winning trades. So don't skip any that have good clear trends and skip all those that don't. Listen, one thing very important, we always remember, trading is risky. You always have a chance to lose. You don't trade with money you don't have. You should always consider it that this is money I can't afford to lose. If you can't afford to lose it, get off the site. Go somewhere else. Put your money towards next week's grocery bills. This is a way to make money, but you have to make money with money. So it's obvious you're not going to win all of your bets. That's clearly impossible. If you do find that 100% option, tell me. I want to know where it is. What matters is that you win more than you lose in the end. That's why I'm telling you this. That's how you make money with this strategy in the long run. You won't win every trade, but you will end up winning more than losing if you bet on all the clear trends. This strategy is used by many traders all over the world. It's very powerful. Now you can use it for your own benefit. This is Bill Jones. See you later.